Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Code Mathians. In this video we'll explain some powerful window functions in SQL. By the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of how to use row number, rank, DENSERANK, lag and lead functions in your SQL queries. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with row number. The function assigns a unique incremental number to each row and the result set. Let's write a query to see how we can use row number. We'll first select everything from dummy data sheet 1, that is our table 1, and then instead of everything we'll specify the columns that we want to display in the output. We'll incorporate employee name, salary, and then we'll insert the keyword that is row number to generate row number. We'll insert the keyword over, and then we'll order the rows by salary in descending order. We will now run this query. And we will see that in the output this row number will assign a unique incremental value to each employee. Next we have rank. This function assigns a rank to each row based on the specified ordering, but it may leave gaps in the ranking if there are ties. So let's copy the same query and paste it over here. We will only change row number and we'll replace it with rank function, and we rename this as department rank. And now we'll run the query and we can see that it has assigned the same rank to multiple rows because the salary value was same. So it has basically assigned same rank to those employees whose salary was same, and then it has kept the rank and assigned the rank 5th to the next employee. So rank function will skip a rank in case of a tie. Moving on to DENSERANK, similar to rank, it assigns ranks to each row based on the specified ordering, but it ensures consecutive ranks without any gaps. We will copy the same query and now we'll replace row number function with DENSERANK function and we'll rename it as department rank. We will now run this query and And we can see that it has also assigned the same ranks to those employees whose salary was same, but it has not skipped any rank, because the rank after 3 that we can see in the output is 4, not 5. So rank function assigns same values, same ranks, but it skips the next rank, whereas the DENSERANK functions does assign the same ranks to those having same salary, but it does not skip any rank and assigns the very next rank. Let's now talk about lag and lead. These functions allow us to access data from previous or next rows in the result set. We'll write the query, select the column employee name, salary, and then we'll insert our lag function, that is lag salary, keyword over, order by hire date, and we'll name this as previous salary. We'll now insert the other function, that is lead salary over order by hire date, and we'll name this as next salary from our table name, that is dummy data sheet 1. We'll now run this query, and we can see the output that this query has displayed. We can see in the output there are two new columns, one named previous salary and the other one is next salary. We can see that Joe's salary is 60,000, but since we have no previous salary or previous row having the salary, so it has displayed null over here. However, we do have the next salary, that is the salary of Jane, 55,000. So the output has displayed 55,000 in the next salary column against John. That's all from today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more SQL tutorials. See you next time.